Hello, students of 8th class. I am your teacher, Francis Paul, sir. Once again, we are together to have the online class of history and civics. So, our last chapter was chapter number 3, and even in first, second, and third chapter, it was all about the European history or the world history. So, in this chapter, that is a chapter number 4, we are entering into our Indian history. That means India in the 18th century. Students, if you remember, in the third term of 7th class, you might have studied the Mughal Empire, where Akbar, Jahangir, Shah Jahan, and the last ruler, Mughal ruler, was Aurangzeb, who ruled in India. And the whole culture of India was mixed up. It's also known as a mixture culture, okay, or composite culture. So that is the background. What India was during the Mughal rulers, that is till Aurangzeb. During the rule of Aurangzeb and later after the rule of Aurangzeb, what India was in 18th century. That is the name of the chapter. India in the 18th century. We know that a huge, vast Mughal empire began to decline during the reign of Aurangzeb due to his bad policies for the people and for the empire India. So, in this chapter, we are going to study only, students, note down your syllabus. We are going to study the identify, that means the later Mughal rulers, and the causes of the Mughal Empire, later Mughal rulers, and the causes of decline of Mughal Empire. So we don't have in our syllabus the other uh, rise of independent states, Sikh, Jats, Rajput, Mysore. These are not there. Okay, so we'll be studying only the introduction, later Mughal, and the factors declining of the Mughal Empire, the causes. Okay, so students, listen properly. In the 18th century, it is a phase of transition between medieval and modern period. In India, the 18th century is characterized by the decline of Mughal Empire, rise of new independent states. So, in the map, if you see, you can see many new independent states like Sikhs, Rajputs, Jats, okay, then Bijapur, these Golconda Empire, kingdom, these had become Awadh, these had become independent. So, this was a rise of new independent states and establishment of the European rule in India. See, once the vast Mughal Empire get declined, there grew independent states who fought with each other. And because of this disunity, what happened? Because of disunity in among the people of India, they were fighting with each other. So this benefited the European people who came to India. And at last, by defeating the French, the Britishers began to rule over India. This period witnessed many changes in Indian history as the Indian subcontinent came in contact with the European civilization, as I told you. And that was the beginning of Renaissance in India, much later than the Europeans. It was the European who brought changes. The last of the great Mughal emperor Aurangzeb was survived by four sons, which led to the War of Succession. War of Succession means who shall succeed. There was no proper law that who shall succeed after the death of emperor. So there was a fight between Bahadur Shah one and another his three brothers. And Bahadur Shah one emerged victorious and ruled for a short period of time. He was a learned, dignified ruler who tried to reverse the narrow-minded policy of his father Aurangzeb. You know that he was very much narrow-minded. He could not tolerate other religious people. Rather, he strictly followed the rules of Quran. That is why his empire so declined. He was unlike Jahangir, Shah Jahan, and Akbar. So, after him, Jahandar Shah, then Farooq Shah became the ruler. During Muhammad Shah's rule, a later Mughal ruler, Nadir Shah of Iran, invaded India in 1739. Also, some independent rulers, such as in Bengal, Awadh, and Hyderabad, emerged. The center became weak, and the most important consequence was that this enabled the British to conquer India, as I told you in the beginning itself. So, students, in this part, we have seen the background or the introduction to this chapter, the decline of Mughal Empire. So, we shall continue with this chapter in the second part. Okay.